Dear friends, we'll learn in this session sensitivity analysis. For this we will use an example of a power startup company who has to invest 100 megawatt solar plant capacity. So this 100 megawatt solar plant, they are estimating it will run about 20% PLF and will give 2.5 tariff. Now this generation is calculated figure based on this PLF and plant capacity. This is, you can find details in this calculation how it has been calculated. So fixed cost, it is as again another input. This is based on input current market trend, and a variable cost, some other cost which varies according to generation capacity. So these are the some inputs. Now based on the yearly generation and PLF, if we multiply these two, will get yearly revenue, that is multiplication of C2 and C5. And fixed cost similar way it is been calculated. So fixed cost this multiplied by capacity, so this has come fixed cost, and variable cost this multiply generation is that variable cost. So if we do fixed cost and variable cost, this is the total cost, and from revenue, if you minus this total cost, so we'll get profit before depreciation and interest and tax. So this is the one part profit and this is the tariff. So in this we have a two problem. One is that we have to do such sensitivity of profit, how it varies with respect to tariff rate. So if I change tariff from 1.5 to 4 rupees, how it varies. So this is one problem this company wants to check. Similarly, if tariff varies in this range, at the same time PLF varies from 17 to 22%. Currently PLF is 20. So what would be the again profitability? So sensitivity of profit with respect to tariff and with respect to PLF we want to calculate. So this is the problem and this is we want to calculate. So in this session we'll calculate how sensitivity varies, sensitivity of profit with respect to tariff. So I will copy tariff here. I will vary it from 1.5 rupees to 4 rupees in the step of 25 paisa. And I want to calculate profit for each of these tariff. So for that I will put this formula connectivity here. Now I will use table function, and in this table function I will select this range. Now I will go to data, to quadrip analysis, data table. Now I want to calculate this profit for each step of tariff. So row, there is a change in column tariff value. There is no change in row. So this column cell I will connect it to the original tariff rate, and this tariff will get replaced by each of this tariff, and accordingly profit will be calculated in this case. So if I put OK, then I will get tariff for profit for each of these steps. So this is a sensitivity of tariff and between profit. This is only one variable change. Now if I change tariff at the same time I change, at the same time if I change PLF, so how it will look like. PLF it is getting changed from, will be varied from 17 to in the step of 0.5. So 17 plus 0.50 in the range of this, and go ahead up to 22 I will calculate. So the profit we need to calculate in this range. In this corner I need to keep again connected to PBT. So I will disconnect this PBT. I will write it here to remember. So I will select this range of the table, and again similar way I will go to the data, what if analysis, data table. Now here both row and column side variable is getting changed. Row side PLF, so I will connect with PLF, and column side is tariff, so I'll connect it with tariff. So C3, both these two factor is getting changed. Now if I do OK, I will get profit for each of these tariff and PLF. So in this sensitivity analysis we have done first part using table function. We data function we have used calculated if tariff changes, how profitability changes. Similar way, using the same function, if tariff and both PLF changes, how probability varies. That all the data we have got in this table. Thank you.